Hey there, welcome back to another round of Google Analytics. We are diving into the nitty-gritty of connecting your Google Ads account to Google Analytics. Buckle up because we are about to turbocharge those ad campaigns and supercharge your analytics reports. First thing first, do you remember that event conversion tutorial we covered earlier? If you missed it, no worries, but definitely give it a watch before you dive into this one. Alright, now we got our events set up and conversions rolling in, it's time to link up those accounts. Head over to the admin section in Analytics. Scroll down to Google Ads link and hit that create link button. Now here's the deal, you gotta be admin on your ads account and at least an editor on Analytics. Once you've selected your ads account from the list, just confirm and move on to the next steps. I usually stick with the default settings here. Boom, link created. Now sit tight while Analytics and ads do their secret handshake in the background. It will take a minute or two for everything to sync up. But once it's done, you are officially in business. Now let's hop over to your ads account. Go to Tools and Settings, then Data Manager, and activate that shiny new link with Analytics. Now that's done, we are ready to import some conversions. Head to the conversion section, hit New Conversion Action, and select Import. Choose Google Analytics 4, pick your web conversions, and voila! Your conversions are important and ready to roll. Pro tip, make sure those important conversions are set to primary for optimization. You want Google Ads to beat on them, not just observe from the sidelines, right? And that's a wrap for today. You officially link your ads and analytics accounts, and now you are ready to rock those ad campaigns like a pro.